Hello, fellow Scratchers. My name is Bumbles1314. Today I'm going to show you some beginner guides to Scratch and some from Scratch add-ons. Let's get into it. By the way, Scratch add-ons is downloadable in the link in the description. Just give me a few seconds. Alright, so what I thought of doing is quizzes. Now, in Scratch, quizzes are possible, so let's code one. First, you want to drag out a one green flag clicked and broadcast message. Let's rename message 1 to start over. And now it's time to make the quiz. So when I receive start over, it'll ask this question. I'll do a random question. And now you want to go to control and grab out an if-else block, and then drag out an equals block. Now you want to grab out an answer block and put it on the left portion, and then put your answer in the right portion. Now what you want to do is you want to make a new variable. Called correct Frostsprites. Now when I receive start over, set correct to 0, and if you get the answer correct, change correct by 1, and then you want it to say correct. Correct. And now in the else portion, let's make a new costume. What am I? And then what you want to do is you want it to switch to costume 3, and then you want it to say wrong. Now what you want to do is you want it to broadcast start over and then stop this script. Make sure you have it switched to costume 1. Now here it is. 2 plus 2 is 4. It'll say correct. Now 2 plus 2. If I try entering 5, yeah. If you want more quiz answers, just right click on it and then duplicate it and then put it below it. So that's how you make a quiz inside Scratch. Let's delete that correct variable. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a really cool score that you probably saw GriffPatch make. I'm too lazy, so just copy all this code. So what you want to do is you want to make a block. So first you want to make a green flag. You want to drag out one green flag clicked block, and then setup, then define setup, and then you want to hide it, and then you want to have it go to these coordinates, whatever coordinates you prefer. And then you want to make a variable called index and set index to 1, and then repeat 6, create clone of myself, change size by size divided by 2, and then change index by 1. Now you want to make it when it starts as a clone. it will show, and then forever change costume. Change. Now you want to make a variable called change costume. Now you want to make a block called change costume 2, and then you put in join glow hyphen letter, and then on this portion letter index of score. You probably see these dots. I'll just get rid of them. So it's letter index of score. So yeah, and then you want to set x to index minus half, and then minus length of score divided by 2, and then multiplied by size divided by 2, and then change size by 0.2 multiplied by 100 minus size. You can have whatever digits you want. Make sure this is glow hyphen. And yeah, you can draw them yourself. And now you want to have a defined cost. Now you want to make right here for the define change costume to costume. Now what you want to do is now you want an if then block, and then if not on costume equals costume name, then it will switch costume to costume, and set size to 120. Here it is. Also, we needed the score variable. Let's make it increase every time we click the cat. This is boring, so yeah. You can have it up to 6 digits as well. You can't do 7 digits apparently. And it's truly unique, and please use this in your most popular Scratch projects, beginners. Now here is the last simple tutorial. This is gonna be the smooth mouse effect. So drag out one green flag, click and drag out forever, and then you want it to point. And then you want to point towards mouse pointer. As you can see, I'll point the Scratch cat starts pointing towards my mouse pointer. And now let's have it move 10 steps. As you can see, it should be following your mouse, but this happens. It starts glitching. So to fix this, you need to drag out a divided by block, and then you want to drag out a distance to mouse pointer and divided by 2. As you can see, it's now following our mouse, but this actually has to be 5. Now it's following your mouse, and now it doesn't even glitch out anymore. To get the nice effect, just create clone myself, and when I start as a clone, repeat, how about 50, and then delete this clone. Now, so there should be 50 clones on the screen. To add a nice effect, let's change color by, let's change the color effect by 5. And then change size by -5. And then change ghost effect by 2. So now they should shrink and slowly fade out. But anyways, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out!